Well, I saw by a cost that give us scientific herbal clinic first one. I said the Bocata Tiffany some Edinburgh. Bakum Unubia Kai, the Sosun Tempa, the amount now for online stories. Mamen Kyle say, give us in the Johnson, give us cool capsules, give us power capsules, and give us herbal mixture. A boa konya saying now so, Emma, they be a done a crown crow, a year free or precope at the amount. Free give us for on 0543 222 470 and 0506 8511 35 not only and so the informer. BOG to increase capital requirement for banks, and the big one, GJA president under fire over presidential press corps accident. New voters register. Akufo-Addo's campaign manager hallucinates. Anidoho wants, know thyself before contesting Mahama.
If I'm at the Wakatani, I did to us. 9 years of Joffrey Konya, Aquensier, and Yera, after money, ya no, and Ghana, said Joffon Kabumku, or Dano, President GJ. What about you just said Ukrainian? Asem ni susun eti obi wo mapanyi atena ho no mu a e wose ye de wo bobo no na obeyi samu ano eni na ansa ora afa money dane ne ho a afa de ne waka ne se o chief of staff obeka se car ne de eye car papa wo mo rent fee reputable car rental company ho eti ene sa de a wagide chief of staff wo kan na ese se twefo so mu no se he on se ne tafreto kokko ne mamu omu yom so ha so na so ana me se ne asam na wo kan omo te car no mu bie amunya akwanhia na wo nua no musadwafo na de asam na betu dwa kyerekye mu kwan fa so ba ye car ne nya papa ne ade no afi de wo se atwa ho e na wo beka bia masadwafo na afi de ono adane aban ka samafo e na wo kan te ne ne e wura fa money sabere won ti yi amafo atiti bia ma no e na adan be ma ti no ho asam e wo da informa da obokrata no emu ne aka de ya temdie ti pesa meka bate kokko anyi do ho se wo pesa wo kopra mo mpanyi edwani bie wo NDC mu no bo modi atena ase na gina hwehwem da hwe wani mu sa wo hwe de wani mu fata mampanyi abra won sa mampanyi akwasi practice bi no mo ho a wo mo pese o mani mu se o mu kodi o mampanyi ne ayimra hwe bedwati wo sa Dr. Kwame Nkrumah no ye mampanyi to ko gina hwehwe ni mu no hwe no mo ma na hwe se ense Nkrumah de bia na fa blade o hwe no mo ma so hwera na edu sa Nkrumah de sa ha fe fata
well unim wala se so amamenka o se nyame adoma bosumi ya esim ya obeware
hey
Antino Wallace agudie ho centroni ene de oboni ewo multimedia wa adwuma na che
o say ye
the Hartman nyame aduma Debbie Bosumi ABC mi
June next year
I will call next year okay all right Daily Heritage
what me anyina
disclaimer
akabe mi won pray
3 Lagos students bake bread to avoid unemployment after school perfect e woni ma dwe pepe
Pow me kan ya so nka mi timaro no perfect because wait me mom 1 year
3 UST students sell goat meat and then Preco head Medina perfect
unya sa be brodo ye di brodo papa mi fi o ba me mo ya mo mre bi mo supply mi bi
papa bi fi amanoni aba wo ja amanoni ho Adenta ICGC ne ho no ton ne brodo no enso topo
wonim se edinkra pai ya wonam krom
aninam krom bebre no
papa university ni no kotena buchiri
we have to start doing that
we buchiri waja kwa ba ene wo ye edinkra na hwe se ne edinkra ko
etina yes ne bai no na me bompa se be so so mrantie
ni maba wa wo sa enra ye se achi akwa bi a wodi na twibi se be na twibi ne praye aye mosquito coil
o machi no
ai bomo se senye propose de na mo ti ase so yes eti mo nchinu mfa ni sie o mo nchira ne kwan no mo nya hwehwemu sa mo hwe na ya pa se na twibi ne praye eti mi kum tonton mass production
ye gagum wo ba ji fango so a lebre go
enam wo na twibi no banya bi wati ase no kra wo so petimi aton se de mu prato gu
ye prato ye de twa hoden
ma de twa hoden
ye nyem kanea
energy ni ya mo fa bi mankura se fo no fa petepete ayi torwa no so no mu nya fertilizer ayi ka se no no de petepete so no wo sa na twibi wo de petepete vegetables a emu ani wo ni misa apa mo
wo ye kurasi ni papa
wo nya bi na twibi huna na ponchi ni ayi
kane efu ye
ye ka se nwan ebi no kane ya no pa ye sore a ye pre na twibo no mu ni dwanbo no mu ni ade a ne ahono
na o de pete so
eti torowa ne jenne ni makoni ade na o de pete so amu anwe kama pa boss of box
60 ye for crusading guy
na mani ono de na ye
Akuzi abekuye crusading guy
eti Delali heritage abokasa no de ma ye ne se ene legom rantie amiesa wo ma wie school wo mu tumrodo ene ye ka ye perfect enu ano no wo mu to mo supply hey mo be ye enu ano
well
ena afi ye se ne abanyuma no mo gu ECG e ka wo mu di ECG fo enya sem kuma na ankran ketenketen ne nam ne ye age eti our heritage democracy.
New weekend crusading guy the PJ Mwanesa. Voters register debate. Akufo-Addo knocks critics, says MPPs call for new register, not for electoral gain. And change our candidate or will vote MPP, says Pando NDC. And NDC minister cited for contempt as Ayibonte Adamalache ran for cover. New weekend crusading guide.
New weekend crusading guide. The Bokata also near the Muso, the Bokata Munsem, no system or the Abana, Danko Akufo-Addo. Ya wano ena OD NPP in 2016 abaye beto promo penyeja odi atuja se prayer won MPP for pray ese yesesa abato di ntwengu mana nyese bia won mu ebenya afaso bi wabato mana so mu bedi nkuni mu wabato mana ho pese ne makọ yie ma e wabato na mo Ghana for ene o my Ghana ye nyina ye die eti ena wo mo pray ne sa no ho asem no mo de aba afa omafo a omo NDC mu kwando eso de atuja se nipa wodi wo manim soma asesa no a ene omu nyina beto ade ma NPP4 and who was some the new weekend crusading guy.
Rocker father, my brother said the online story. Said, bro, but my main car said text message line 1760. Now, a lot of your text messages about Ebeje Brenya Kinkani Nama, but Rocker for in round Badwam rock garlic mixture, and I say Acho now 93 a boy concern Kusukras na Malarok Sukutia malaria, rock tonic and so Wanumatra, Rocco laxative and so no. Oyemeti Manakoko Hawa Fre 0244 183230 0244 na intimi ene onini nsa so Medina New Road one ben Anglican asori no South no Kumasi Alaba Abu Station one sika efi enedi enimhwe na intimi ye ayi asaso enka Adenta Pantai Junction obehu won ewo hono obehu won ho Stone Boy presents BET award to American Embassy. Oko My Joy Online and also uhu sa enhihye ewo honom ana mo amonso moniji Americatuo no yenu abema Hussein Bolt nso wasa aka ne ho biema enyoma etimi koso eno achi no so oba My Joy Online insem no honom Abraham Grant so can you be serious can you be a serious mate and also wasem My Joy Online. A lot of stories on bra oko hono na hunu nyina na eko. Yeko Adom Online, but mama ko so nka say rock for darama and the online story say bro omde Mala Rock Abadwaso Rock Tonic and a Rock Co laxative. And must read ex-President Kufuor's solution to saving city and then police in Kumasi hand for vehicle snatching kingpin. Only danceable songs can be hits in Ghana, Hammer, Anna Ekasan. A lot of stories. Man dies after selling, and then woman kills fiancé over, and also was Okukokoa. A lot of stories. So yeah, Adom Online. Now wait to me. I cooking kind of because we now a rock clinic for other MPP tours ECOWAS countries. And also want some enya chefa Adom Online. Because the rock father anasan komowe yet media bro and cry Adenta Pantai Junction Unhuomo Madina New Road Anglican Church and one bay and afe Kumasi Alaba Abu Station suno uhuon onisiko sikefi and di enimhwe Nana Boache ubunya biato ewo kanshi Kobedia Repash Ventures Republic Pharmacy Kings Walk Kofsam Pharmacy and afe Nisi Pharmacy Fre 0244183230 na on any and so ebraso say na ko efiade osu timi nya kwanya na onimidi nkomobra obefre on 0302 211701 up to 4 but asida Kesee na edi kan dia ma danfo jai betes ana danfo jai mixture say wona so ya say Juada Ekopimi Fiada, say Yemfa Asem Kesee Emfamro. A lot of your text messages in Swaba, ma making kind of Breva Mukwana Fee, Yabia Homanuma Tor, no waiting my friend on 0302 211 701 up to 4. It's KJB and Jasican, not part of Ghana and Volta region. The youth are crying because the government will not want to hear them when they talk, and the youth are with good vision. Change will only come when the youth contribute and the elders don't ask, when were you born? Okay, now about Then to Israel Morris, CEO of Redeem, and this one says the MPP have always found fault with our electoral system whenever they are defeated in elections. Hagan, Abanzi, no, but I want to advise most couples to assess themselves not to discuss issues with people by Mr. K. Kumasa. And there are some election that you are talking about. It's been given a car. That's why from K. Dapasikuma. I don't get this one probably. What's happening at DKM and DKM says demonstration. DKM for DKM they are not really coming. Bank of Ghana. Position. Bank of Ghana say they've given them a specific time. I think 30 days or so. So I'm first top up will be Embra. Until that's the position of Bank of Ghana. DKM for almost more down. You need to just tell these people that
top up frame.
Sika baseline.
This is saying Bank of Ghana any DKM na it's customers so one for no Sika ekugu no. Omudi assembly.
But so Bank of Ghana dem for
oh yes scan Google. Bank of Ghana says scan wo. Nto mo for ma dem mom na
for customers na dem mom.
Na mo DKM tumi mo betwe.
Okay, all right. So
was it for Sika kona se na mafo kola senya mafo.
Free bra. Nothing region ba no. It's just unfortunate. When is Faber also coming on Adom TV? We are ready, and Kesee Price will give us a break because he has nothing. He knows nothing about the voters register from Alasan or Cape Coast. No, also the way about NDC. The big men know that they will lose 2016 elections, so all want to be MPs. And then this one says, what prompted former President Rawlings to stage coup in 1981? Okay, I'll not read this one. And this was on mine. So you refuse to pick NDC upon all your hard work for NDC. Asem Debbie. And this is from Rahman Techiman Odiaba. I don't get this one. And please, I want Kentin Post number. I might have a problem and kindly help me. Teacher Elijah from Asem. Teacher for any more problem. Posy for, teacher for, doctor for, a nurse for. All right, so your phone calls 0302 211 up to 4. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. 0302 211 701 up to 4. Good morning. Quick. Madam Boko, it's you.
You are not here to say quite.
Oh, it's you.
Now, we did a kind of Opo, you mamma, Juma, Mamma, Friday.
But
now, I mentioned teacher Barnabas. I'll be sure my assemblyman about to have a course with him in the trade.
Okay.
Now, by another day, you want to make why she did to be out was in Yamia, my brother. I would have got quite once and quite bedroom. On our way, my body tattoo. The brother knows this way. Why me and Mamma to Mabano. I'm a stress, Ubertrato or Ban with the Salaman says, the quite to a sacred weapon. The tear your mind in the iron, which is a best 4 hours, no, if you say you require person, because 4 hours, no, do you? That was that also day, yes, Mrs. Yao, there over 2 years in India, you will be out, so you will travel take a crown in yet, yes, sir. The convent near you, you know, Jano.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Well, I was buy or Lembele Persono Casa. Buy a Lembele.
Yo, buy a more quabo.
Okay,
Yamia do more now, say.
Yamaka more Lembele.
You, you're the Yamias.
I know Pemini can chairman income MP for Jomaya, Union Folio Ama, Abrama, Michelle Bibin, delegates, and I am. You want a bad card in which you have a young man or it's a gentleman, which you have Mama Jomoro, it's your friend. This morning, we are in a country, a graduate association, on a permanent graduate association. And up now, can be there by the Crania. Some of us who have been getting graduates, say, it be a work at a degree. They should be investing in the Mukukusia.
no more there corner than things say I buy me a human son or about the evening. And in that Ghana, you did the government should open a job. I know the government have some toys of me be a human need me, but I buy to me here. Why don't you create your focus here with university and to make laws on your capacity? Now empower women to me. You see, as I go, the American say, treat you as a youth and you build your own capacity, which me a answer. Let development the team up. I mean, when let's say been more about coin dodging, other military, you know, away. I had given it. Make them ask me, so now me start voter register. Me feel that there's no way I see a system that could be near for current service. The voter register 2012 was credible. Any it now so been went before Professor Benefit Member of Parliament. Into the end of our cost. When you just near first kind of family the economy which we have not Ghana managed. Let me check on that going to our market.
Okay, that's it. Nakusha, me pesa me na branti ebe kase e den sempi beba Lukman ese oba oba onhwe so pepepe no no nka na asem
Lukman mo ache mo akwa ba eti sen
Akosia safua kantimpo asare akoto
Papa
let me say
Nyame adumo na so e
ya nyame dom de leso achaye
yo no ayo man hene den
Busade na say ena no papa prophet alesum by no ensema o kan no se me ba be ka ho asem prophet say o man de men kan say e ya bra sorry o start fire on at no man da the prophet enkoto sre e dia cause die no so o ni se me e na
onya ma so twe onya ma so twe no kwa sorry
eh on kwa sorry
Yentie Lukman
Bedate ba ye ko ma so pa ni jumanji pa mo ko ma Ghana men na ye kasi nyankofo hia na on ko na akosue
yes
NDC nomination so ma bie any presidential nyina meboa aha any o ma hene wo woni me number ni bia 0271 179913 Mufremi, ye Kabuma, ye Pesha Copa form, Yampamas Ugabra, and they are Ugabra, even when President Mahama, and if you know the old to be a friend, Ugabra, Yampa form, Pama, every timber contest, and I hear quality.
Finish your catch. Any Larisha, Nafi, Emma, Wallace, Larisha, Quay.
Larisha, I am Wakwaba. Hello, Larisha.
Good morning.
Good morning. Akwaba so bibi aboko.
Nyame adom na say.
Nyame adom yeso hu ye wa ha. Mayeti olori.
Yeah. Samo kasa ba dike ma atenna. Enye dike mko. God is love so kan.
Ah, okay.
Yes, na ya sewo ho.
Okay, yeah, same so kasa o say ti o. Yeah, that's it Larisha. Well, Elbesia, Mama Isikaya.
Mama Isikaya, me mama ma fe no. E was me TV kono me kwasra no.
Na me kwa simple so ati.
Me chia no. E na me chia Mr. and Mrs. Obin of Georgia Phones.
Okay.
E na Ashaman, ayi Vaco Flat. But your assembly no elections montuma flavor.
Okay.
Memunatu.
AKA
flavor montuma no. Oya number 4 enti Ashama ai Vaco Flat mamumo area ho no monto fa
babunu
ai babunu oso no pa
oba de na metani
oba enti memunatu
okay
aka flavor monto mama
ya be sia no say na me ni baby okofa assembly forms rapti o say ka okofa assembly forms na ni pen friends and o be pen pie di no be pen pie by assemblyman
George Mbia
yeah George
eni nua na ni ma de omo ye no omo hu di no omo twa picture no twa di tifri so no de komo akwasi se George complete ti George Mbia prof eso community 11 oya number 2 monto man ma me o community 11
okay anybody are saying that what I say crowd or the Kesee ebro yako